Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix shutdown problem in Windows 10. I'm going to show you a few methods. So first we need to click right mouse button icon with a start, and then we need to go to run. Here on open field we need to type Ctrl and click OK. Then we need to change view by from category to large icons, and now we need to go to power options. Then we need to go to choose what the power buttons do, and here we need to click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Now we need to uncheck this option, turn on fast startup recommended, and here we need to click save change. Now I recommend you to change plan settings, so we need to go to change plan settings, and then we need to open change advanced power settings. Here we need to find something like PCI Express, so I click on it. Then I click plus on the left side of link state power management, and we need to change on battery from maximum power savings to off, and the same for plug it in, we need to change it from maximum power savings to off. Then I click apply and I click OK. I recommend you now to restart your PC, and if there is still a problem with it, you can try the different method. So I close this window and I click right mouse button icon with a start, and then I go to command prompt admin. Now we need to paste here this one command. You can copy this command from description of my video, and then you can easily paste it here. It is powercfg space -h space off. So now I click enter, and changes have been successfully implemented here. I recommend you now to restart your PC, and I think it should solve your problems. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to buy me coffee from link in description.